Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your screen while also having your video of yourself on the screen as well. This is great for if you're recording a presentation or a tutorial video and you want to create a video file and then upload it to a platform like YouTube. And today we are going to be using Zoom. There are 1,000,001 ways that you can do this, but for our purposes, since everyone got pretty comfortable with Zoom over the pandemic, we're going to focus on Zoom today. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is navigate to our Zoom account, and we're going to just start a personal meeting. This is basically going to be a meeting with just yourself. So I'm going to click Start, Join with Computer Audio, and I am going to start my video so you can see my face. Hello. And we are going to share our screen. So I'm going to share my screen, and I can choose a certain desktop or a certain window that I have open. I'm going to choose Google Chrome, share, because I have my, I'm pretending that this Google Sheet is a presentation that I want to share with you. So I'm going to go to the top and hover up here to pull down my toolbar, and I'm going to go to the three dots, More, and Record.
Recording in progress.
And now when I come down from that toolbar, it will go back up. And now I'm going to present to you, and as you can see, I'm on the screen. I can move myself around, and we are recording my entire screen. Here we go. I can put myself down here. And then, of course, you can go to your little Zoom box and hover over it. You can click the three dots, and you have all these options. You can blur your background so it looks like this, or you can choose a virtual background if you have one that you'd like to use, or you can rename. So if I don't want my full name to be on there, I can just presenter, rename, and now I am labeled presenter. Okay, so now my presentation is complete. I am finished, and I want to stop recording, so I will go up here, hover until the toolbar comes down, go to More, Stop Recording.
Recording stopped.
So now I don't need to share my screen anymore. I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to end the meeting, end for all. And now Zoom will convert my meeting recording into an MP4 file. It takes just a couple minutes depending on the length of the meeting. It could take a lot longer, but here we go, and there's my recording. Go to your little Zoom box, and there you have it. Easy as that. As I said, there are 1,000,001 different platforms online, or through Zoom or Canva, and I will make more tutorials on how to do this so you can find the platform that works for you and that you're most comfortable with. Thank you so much for being here. If there are any other tutorials you would like to see from me, please leave them in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.